Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you the very latest company to enter the prefab home market to try and make housing more affordable. I'm talking about a company so new that they just got the keys to their 65,000 square foot facility in northern Arizona 22 days ago and are planning to start production in late February. They'll be offering two models, the Citizen and the Denizen, both of which have smart features and robotic furniture that I've never seen, and say that their homes are a whole different animal than anything else in the space. We're currently witnessing a stampede of talent from outside the factory-built home space entering the industry, and this company is yet another example to add to that list. The company I'm talking about is called Zennihome, and the guy starting it is Skymall founder and former Arizona State Senator Bob Worsley. This is a very interesting project, and at first glance their designs look really cool, so Zennihome is definitely worth a closer look. What I'm going to do is look at who they are, what they're doing, check out the models, and talk about pricing, so let's do it. Before we look at the company, we need to talk real quick about the guy starting it. Bob has just a bit of experience starting and scaling a business. In a recent interview, he said he had the idea for Skymall in September of 1989 on a flight from Seattle to Phoenix, and 1 year later, the catalog was in every airline for 25 years. 1 year later. Boy, tell you what, that little tidbit really had me evaluating my own time management. Not good in comparison. When asked why he was starting this company after a successful career in business and politics, he said, "I'm looking at this as a way to solve homelessness, workforce housing. There's a huge gap right now with housing appreciating rapidly, and now a first-time homebuyer has to pay $400,000 minimum for a house, and that's keeping a lot of people in rental situations where they should be able to start building equity in a home. So we're hitting that market strong." That's as good of a reason as any, and I agree, home prices are completely out to lunch right now, so the more smart people we have working towards a solution, the better. They'll be building homes in the former Navajo Generating Station coal plant, which is no longer operational and mostly demolished, but a 65,000 square foot warehouse remains to start manufacturing. The reason that location was selected was because of the proximity to Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, and Phoenix. It was reported in AZ Central that there's a project in downtown Mesa that's expecting units from the factory by June. The wheels are definitely in motion, so what exactly is a Zennihome? A Zennihome will be built from two shipping containers welded together side by side in either 20 or 40 foot lengths. Let's check them out. The smaller of the two models is called the Denizen at 320 square feet. I'm a huge fan of the modern style Zennihome has produced, with 315 square feet of windows, and there are 8 different exterior color schemes to choose from. Shipping containers are 8 feet wide, and it's built from two side by side, so the Denizen is 16 feet wide by 20 feet long with an interior ceiling height of 8'10". The Denizen is described as a home that reconfigures space and time. It's like having a fully furnished 900 square foot home in 300 square feet of space. Inside, it's a studio that has a bathroom, kitchen, and combined living room bedroom. Comparable in size to the boxable casita, the Denizen has a bed that drops down from the ceiling to maximize living space when you're not using it. I think this is a cool idea and a smart way to get more space out of a small footprint, because most of your time is spent in the living space anyways, so why not maximize that area? The only time I could see it potentially being an issue is if it's a couple living in the home and they have different sleep schedules. The other really cool feature this home has is the entertainment center rolls out to reveal an area that could be used for extra storage or a second workspace. In the current world, where potentially 2 people could be working from home at least part of the week, I think that's an important feature to have. That way you wake up, roll out the command center, and 2 people are able to work from home in a small space. They're close, but they're separate. They put a lot of thought into maximizing the space. The website says the design of the Denizen was worked on for over a year before they got to the model with the features that we're seeing right now, and was built with the following purposes in mind: aspiring first-time homebuyers, for retirement or resort living, for a family wanting to make room for multiple generations, for a home office or home school, for someone looking to create a rental property, for corporate meetings, events, or visiting guests, for developers seeking answers to cost and supply issues, or for a city that needs a housing solution. For anyone looking for something that's a small footprint, the cost of the Denizen is currently listed at $75,000, but if it isn't enough space, they do make a size bigger. The Citizen is the same width but double the length to 40 feet and the total footprint to 640 square feet. The added length allows for a completely different layout and the addition of a second room. The Citizen still uses the bed that lowers down from the ceiling, so when not in use, this home has two fully separate spaces, which is something I would consider a major plus. The layout is split with the living room, bedroom on one side, kitchen in the middle, and dining room, workspace, bathroom, and front door on the other. Out of the two models, I like the Citizen better. I really like this layout, and having the bedroom convert to a living room makes it like there are 3 rooms instead of 2, whereas in the Denizen it seems like more like half bedroom, half living room. I don't know, maybe that's just me. What's crazy about both models that needs to be mentioned is the amount of tech available, because some of it I didn't even know existed. In fact, they say no other production home in the world compares. First things first, these homes have the option to add a hydro panel that produces 2 liters of water out of thin air. I didn't know that was even a thing. Did you? If you want to connect the home to a well or city services, it's not that appealing, but if you're looking to go off the grid, that's an option that can be added for $2,000. The home has optional 10 kilowatt hours of battery storage, solar power, smart TVs, Google Home Hub Max. You can get video calling, security, cameras, Nest thermostats, and smart lights. They have smart locks, cameras on all doors, tankless hot water, and combo washer dryer. So basically, if you add all the smart features, you're pretty much living in the future. When they're up and running, both homes will be available for purchase directly from their website, and they say the home will arrive at your address in 6 months or less. The website says, no agent, no broker, no sales office, no waiting in line, no hassle, no pressure, radically different. Trying to decide if I should be offended by that. Nah. Like some of the others in this category, the Zennihome comes fully furnished. When the home arrives, open the door and the couch, TV, kitchen appliances, tables, chairs, desk, shelves, and bed are all there. I wonder if it has an air fryer. It really seems like we've got a cool new home on our hands, but we're gonna have to wait and see what it actually looks like when production starts up in about a month. The Citizen is listed at a price of $100,000 and can be reserved right on their website without having to listen to some fast-talking salesperson. Right now, the more new companies entering the offsite construction industry, the better. So I'm excited about what Zennihome has in the works. One of the best ways to solve the housing shortage and improve affordability is to simply build more homes. So let's keep them coming. I really like the look of everything Zennihome has planned so far, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the final product will stack up in a couple months. You better believe I'm going to be following along, and when they're fully operational in their new facility in Arizona, I'll check in and post a video right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.